Show me your face, Bunny. Why did you cry? Why did you cry, Bunny? Keep it here. Keep it there. Why did you cry, Bunny? Wow, so many chips you have. Don't cry, okay? Mama will come and take you again. You just have to play and then again you can come home. Okay? You should not cry. Teacher will not do anything. She will only play with you. Okay, Bunny? Okay, Bunny? See, everybody is playing. Everybody is crying. That's why you're crying? Okay. Then again you did not cry? You're crying all the time, Bunny. You should not cry. Okay? What did your teacher say? What did your teacher say, Bunny? What did she say?
Running.
You want to run?
No.
You eat first, then drink water, eat chips, then you
They
run.
go to school. They go to
No,
school.
this is school park. You have to play here. You should not cry like that. Mama will come again and take you. You should never cry, Bunny. Don't worry, I'll come again and take you. Okay? Daily I'll come again and take you. Again we go home. Again we'll come to school park and again I'll come and take you. We'll go on bike, we'll eat ice cream. Okay? Okay, Mama? You understand, Bunny? Do you understand, Bunny? You want to say something? You like chocolate biscuit? Where is your friend?
Yeah.
Where? Which color?
You can pink color and black color and white color.
All are your friends? Okay. Why are all these people running? Why are they running, Bunny?
People run, mommy.
You want to run?
No, people
People.
haven't run.
Okay, people are running. All are friends. These are all Bunny friends. And this is Bunny school. Bunny school park. You should play here, then again go inside and sit for some time. And then again you can come out and play. Okay? But you should not cry. Bunny is very strong. Bunny very big. You should not cry. Mama will come again and she'll take you home. Okay? Now you're big, no? You have to go.
No.
See, you have so many friends to play.
I want to run with people, mommy.
You should say friends. Okay, eat all the chips now. You like Vicky? You like that chocolate Vicky? I'll bring chocolate Vicky for you daily, okay? Then we go home and bring Dudu again.
It's home.
We'll go home and bring Dudu. Okay? You want to play something? Did you play on the slide? Where's the slide now? It disappeared. It was there.
They cross blue side. They cross.
Okay. Then what did you do?
I'm not liking teacher.
Why, Bunny? Why not liking teacher? She's nice. She's nice, Mama. She wants to play with you.
No.
She wants you to play here in that sand and then slide. and she wants to help you to color, and she'll help you to write ABCD. It's so nice.
And put car falling chips.
You should not cry, okay? Say okay. Say okay, Bunny. You're not saying okay?
I think okay.
Okay, Mummy, I'll not cry, you should say.
Five.
You should not cry, Bunny. Oh. Robot will not cry, no? Robot should not cry. You're a robot? Then why are you crying? Oh. That's your bottle? You like your bottle? Yes, water bottle.
Yeah, water toy.
They're playing.
Who is that? Well, who is that playing like that?
You also want to play? See, they are all so happy. Finish. Everybody is running to class. See how they are going happily. See, they are going to class. Where are they going?
I don't know.
They are going into the class. They are not crying. They are so happy. See, they are so happy.
First, I am going now.
They're so happy. Nobody is crying.
They're going there.
Yes.
Just now I'm going there.
You're crying there? Why, Mama? It's so funny, Bunny. You should not cry. You're big now. Okay? You have to go and come again. Mama will come again and take. Okay? Okay, then again you can eat chips, biscuit, do ice cream, everything. And today I'll take watercolors for you. Okay? Okay, Bunny?
Polish uncle. Polish uncle.
Yes, that's the police uncle. Chalo, let's go.
Where's Polish
We'll go home.
uncle?
We'll go home.
Where's Polish papa?
Chalo, we'll go there.
Polish papa.
Chalo, hold. Uncle is saying we'll go there. Come.
Where?
Chalo, let's go. Hold it carefully, Bunny.
I don't want to go.
No, we'll sit there near the tree. It's so hot there.
This is
What's that?
Altoid, Winter. Mommy said, Mommy. It's okay.
Sit down, okay? Sit down. Okay, Bunny?
Okay.